'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And repeat. And if you think that Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the E major, composed of the B, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of E. Then you will have the B major, composed of the B, the D sharp, and the F sharp, and the bass note of B. Then you will have the C sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and with the bass note of C sharp. Then you will have the F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and with the bass note of F sharp. And final chord, the A major, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and with the bass note of A. Of course, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song. You will find it in the description box. Okay, so since this song doesn't have an introduction, let's begin directly by the verse. So let me display the table for you. Take the first chord, E major, and play it and count it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Play when you say end. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now B major, we're gonna play it the same way. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then C sharp minor, which is slightly different, so play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then the F sharp minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4. E major, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And B major, just like the C sharp minor. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. The whole table would then give you this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 And now with the lyrics. For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. Okay, and just repeat with the next lyrics. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. So to play the entire verse, just repeat this table 2 more times. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So after playing this table 4 times in total, you will reach the pre-chorus and you will have a different table. So let me display it to you right now. And I will teach you another method so that the feeling of your interpretation can evolve. And we'll keep it very simple. So it would go like this. My mama don't want to, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. Na 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 na, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second section. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You decide. And now with the lyrics, it'll sound like this. My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. Repeat. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. Second section. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you... Chorus, okay? So as you noticed, you only had to play this table once for completing the pre-chorus. And now here's the new table for the chorus, and we'll be keeping the second method, but keep in mind that you can of course use the first method. Directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And repeat. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. And right after this, you will reach the second verse that you can play like the first one, so by repeating the corresponding table 4 times. Then play the pre-chorus table once and replay the chorus that you just played. And after the second chorus, you will have an interlude which is going to be played with the chorus table repeated 2 times. I wish you good luck and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.